entering the car wash. It's time to get this thing cleaned up because it's extremely dirty. And I got my #1 car washer, and I'm getting ready to get out and talk with him to make sure he do a good job for me and do it fast. Get out. I've been traveling. Yeah, I've been traveling. Look at my car. See how dirty it is? I need to do everything because I've been traveling and it is filthy dirty. And I'm gonna do a video of you cleaning my car, but I want you to clean it as quick as you can. I don't want you to have me here all day because I got other stuff to do because I've been traveling. You hear me?
I hear you. Hear you. I hear you.
Let me get the door on. Yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube. Do everything nice.
Yo, mama.
I'm good, and you?
Fine.
You ain't got none up there?
Today to finish.
Okay.
Didn't come.
Next time. Okay.
Tell your daughter to come and say, tell your daughter to come.
Yeah, I'm capturing the whole car wash. This is part of the whole procedure. And one of the most important things is the payment. Are you finished? Okay, how much I owe? 20 CDs?
I know. The next time you come here, I will do under.
Okay.
So what's the under? The next time.
Give me change. I'll wait here.
You are here.
I'll wait here till you bring my change back. Today it's in the morning time in Ghana. It's around 10:30 in the morning time, and it is very hot. This is not no nice cool morning. It is very hot out here. You see I'm sweating, and I'm not doing anything. But these kids that clean up these cars, they are working like crazy, and they're working for the car wash 20 CDs, and I give them 20 CDs for the car wash and 20 CDs as a tip for washing my car. And they are so happy. If I don't stop them from working, they'll keep on wiping. I have to tell them plainly that when I come in here, I cannot stay with you for 2 hours. Get me in and out in a hurry. And they do the best they can with that because they got this here procedure that when you leave, you're going to have a well-cleaned car. They do excellent work. So, diaspora, look at the labor force you have here. Look how they work for almost nothing. Come on and come on over and start a business and stuff and get these people employed and stuff and with jobs and stuff. And he's bringing me my money back. He exchanged 100 CDs for me. I owe him 20 for the car wash. That's that. And I owe him 20 for his tip of servicing my car. And thank you for very much for watching my video and stuff. And you see how hard these people work. I'm sweating. I ain't doing nothing. I was holding the phone. Yeah. And it's hot in the morning time. They work like this shit every day and think nothing of it. Waiting for the next car to come in.
God is there. God is the greater.
Hi. The 40 CDs that I paid for my car wash in total, 20 for the car wash and 20 for the guy that did my car. And money-wise, in American money-wise, them 40 CDs represent around about $3.50 for everything. I just wanted to shed light on that so that you could see that things is extremely reasonable, you know. And I try to make it a practice that when I'm having this type of service, I show some type of reward for the one that is providing the service for me. Because if I did tip him, he would do the same job as I did tip him. So I know that, so I make sure that when I pull in here, that I'm ready to tip them. Ready to go on our way, trying to get caught up with some of our activity. Like I had mentioned before, we've been traveling, and I have a diaspora that lives here. She lives maybe 2 or 3 miles from me, and she had family members here for maybe the last 2 weeks and stuff, and she was excited about being with them and seeing them and stuff. So I seen them. I met them one time at the hotel, and I more or less moved out the way so that she could enjoy her family member because she had to be excited prior to them coming, you know, like crazy. And I wanted her to really enjoy them and move them around town so that they can enjoy Ghana. Now we're on our way to go see her. Now she's a little camera shy, and I respect that. I won't have her on film and stuff because she have not graduated there. Hopefully one day she will. But I am on my way to go see her and talk with her and let her share her experience with her family here in Ghana, how that was and stuff. You know, I would like to know that everything turned out good for her. She had a good time. They had a good time. And that's it. We're on our way. After the visit, I'll tell you about her trip because she will go in great detail about her family coming to visit her and the things that they got a chance to do together. And I will share that with you before I will end this video.